Yo, welcome back. Welcome here. Today we are going to try. I don't have much room on this skirt. We will try in as much as possible. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all of the support. Followers, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I've got an idea. We'll see how it is executed. It's a prism. Yo, we go. Got skincare on the milk treating primer. And then I'm going to take this Mehron Clown White. Trusty dusted it all over, blend it through. Gotta wait for this to dry though. Just kind of map it out. It looks crazy to map it out somehow. I want it to make sense. I want to make sure it's straight. Prisms already out. This is the MakeupAMurder. Yellow. This is MakeupAMurder yellow. Again, it's MakeupAMurder. And do the opposite. Oh. I am going to come back with this the opposite way and boop. So this is just the paint draw eyeliner. I feel like I'm going crazy though. With this look, I had to go over a couple of times with these neon pigments. It's not the neon pigments, it's having the neon pigments stay there. So I had to do a lot of repeated steps. I didn't show you the repeated steps, but there will be a lot of repeated steps with the eyeliner over the neon pigments. Now we're just going over with MakeupAMurder. Yo, black paint. Wash some of this off so then I can put my regular welcome. Welcome back, guys. So this is, I would say, an X prism. Yay. This is how she turned out. We have our forehead piece. I hit it, but extreme prism porcelain. Should be. Just want to say thank you so much for watching. Sorry about not recording all the way through. I hope every night or morning, whatever, to see you later.